Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and somewhere here you'll see the scanner icon. Just click on the scanner icon, click here yes I agree, click allow, again allow, and now you should place the QR code inside this frame here. So okay, I just hear the lighting, so I should just this was not just all of the QR code here. And now as can you see, the device find the result, the link of this QR code. We can go to website, click here accept, yes I'm in, and here as can you see we just successfully activate and open the our QR code link. That was the Wikipedia just article. So that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.